Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing a Givanium Infant from Garten of Banban. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off in the center and let's draw the mouth. Let's start with a curve up and then bring it down. And then another curve to close off the bottom. And now let's color the mouth in black. And then lastly, underneath, let's add one more curve. And that's it for the mouth. Now let's move to the sides and add the eyes. We'll start on the left side next to the mouth and let's draw a curve up on the left. And the same thing on the right. Now let's add another larger curve going outwards to close off each eye. Next, let's add some details to the eyes. Let's start on top and let's draw a curve up and in like this. And then one more curve underneath each eye. And that's it for the face. Now let's draw the shape of the body. Let's start by drawing a curve across the top. And then let's hop down underneath each eye and let's draw a curve down and in. Then let's leave a gap and let's draw another curve across the bottom. Now underneath each of the gaps, let's add the legs. Let's start with a curve down and curve it in, and the same underneath from the bottom. And let's do the same thing for the right leg. And that's it for the Givanium Infant. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!